Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and exploring two important concepts: AGI, artificial general intelligence, and generative AI. We'll delve deeper into their definitions, discuss the key differences between them, and explore the potential benefits and ethical considerations they raise. So, let's jump right in. Section 1. What is AGI? Definition of AGI. AGI refers to highly autonomous systems that possess the ability to outperform humans at most economically valuable work. Highlighting AGI's significance. AGI represents a major milestone in AI as it aims to achieve human-like cognitive capabilities, including perception, natural language understanding, learning, problem-solving, and general reasoning. Contrasting AGI with narrow AI. Narrow AI is designed for specific tasks within limited domains, while AGI aims to exhibit versatility and adaptability across multiple domains. Section 2. Understanding generative AI. Definition of generative AI. Generative AI refers to AI models and algorithms that generate new content resembling human-created data. Explaining generative models. These models learn from large datasets and use statistical techniques to capture underlying patterns and generate new instances based on learned distributions. Introducing popular generative AI techniques. Generative adversarial networks, GANs. GANs consist of two neural networks, the generator and the discriminator, that compete against each other. The generator creates synthetic data, such as images, while the discriminator tries to distinguish between real and generated data. Through this adversarial training process, GANs can generate realistic and high-quality content. Variational autoencoders, VAEs. VAEs are neural network architectures that learn to encode and decode data. They aim to model the underlying distribution of the training data and generate new samples by sampling from this learned distribution. Autoregressive models. Autoregressive models, such as transformers, generate new data by modeling the conditional probability of each element in the sequence based on the previous elements. Section 3. The differences between AGI and generative AI. AGI's focus on general intelligence. AGI aims to exhibit human-level cognitive capabilities and excel at a wide range of tasks. Generative AI's focus on content generation. Generative AI models are designed to mimic human creativity and generate new instances based on learned patterns. Highlighting that AGI can utilize generative AI techniques, but not all generative AI models aim to achieve AGI. Section 4. The pros of AGI and generative AI. Advantages of AGI. Revolutionary impact on industries. AGI has the potential to automate complex tasks, leading to increased efficiency and productivity across various sectors. Advancement of scientific research. AGI can assist in data analysis, hypothesis generation, and accelerating scientific discoveries. Creativity and problem solving. AGI's ability to reason and understand can contribute to innovative problem-solving approaches. Advantages of generative AI. Creative content. Generation. Generative AI models can create unique and realistic images, generate novel designs, or compose music in different styles. Data augmentation. Generative AI techniques can generate synthetic data to supplement limited training datasets, enhancing the performance of other AI models. Application in various domains. Generative AI has applications in image synthesis, text generation, music composition, and more. Section 5. The cons and ethical considerations, challenges and risks of AGI. Impact on employment. The development of AGI may lead to job displacement and socioeconomic disruptions, requiring careful consideration of the potential societal impact. Control and safety concerns. Ensuring robust control and safety measures are in place to prevent unintended consequences or malicious use of AGI. Ethical implications. AGI raises ethical questions regarding privacy, bias, fairness, and accountability. Ethical considerations of generative AI, misleading or harmful content. Generative AI models can be used to create manipulated images, deepfake videos, or generate deceptive information. Privacy concerns. Generative AI models trained on personal data may raise privacy issues if they generate content that compromises individuals' privacy. Deepfake technology. The rise of deepfakes, enabled by generative models, poses challenges in distinguishing between genuine and manipulated content. Section 6. Case Studies. Case Study 1. OpenAI's GPT-3. Explain how GPT-3, a state-of-the-art language model, is an example of generative AI. Discuss its ability to generate human-like text, create poetry, answer questions, and even generate code snippets. Mention the potential applications of GPT-3, such as content creation, virtual assistants, and language translation. Case Study. DeepMind's AlphaGo. Discuss how AlphaGo, an AI system developed by DeepMind, showcases the power of AGI. Explain how AlphaGo defeated world champion Go player Lee Sedol in 2016, demonstrating superior strategic thinking and decision-making capabilities. Highlight the significance of AlphaGo's ability to learn and improve through self-play and reinforcement learning techniques. Discuss the impact of AlphaGo on the field of AI and its potential applications in other domains, such as healthcare and finance. Case Study 3. NVIDIA's StyleGAN. Introduce StyleGAN, a generative model developed by NVIDIA that can generate highly realistic images. Explain how StyleGAN has been used to create photorealistic face images, allowing for diverse and controllable image synthesis. Discuss the applications of StyleGAN in entertainment, fashion, and advertising, enabling creative content generation. In conclusion, AGI and generative AI are two captivating areas of artificial intelligence that hold immense potential. AGI aims to achieve human-level general intelligence, while generative AI focuses on content generation based on learned patterns. Both have their own advantages and present unique considerations. As we continue to explore the frontiers of AI, it is crucial to address the ethical implications and ensure responsible development and deployment. We hope this video has expanded your understanding of AGI and generative AI. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting AI content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.